Don't forget to enter my Visa gift card giveaway. Be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and enter Visa in the comments section below. Good luck! Peppa Pig. Peppa's Christmas Wish. It is Christmas Eve, and Peppa, George, and their friends are aboard the Christmas elf train. Toot toot! They are on their way to Santa's workshop. Everyone is very excited.
Ho, ho, ho!
Chuckles Santa Claus.
I hope you've all been good.
He makes a list of what everyone would like for Christmas. George would like a racing car. Peppa would like a doll. On Christmas Day, Peppa and her family eat the Christmas pudding. This is delicious, snorts Mummy Pig. I wonder what you wished for when you were making it, Peppa. It is time to open presents. George got a racing car. Vroom, vroom. But there is nothing under the tree for Peppa.
Santa has forgotten me,
Peppa says sadly. Santa is on his way home in his sleigh. Suddenly, he spots something at the bottom of his sack.
Ho, ho, ho!
Santa gasps.
There is one last present to deliver.
Santa tumbles down the chimney at Granny and Grandpa Pig's house.
Here's your present, Peppa.
He chuckles.
My Christmas pudding wish came true.
Peppa cries.
I wish that Santa would visit us on Christmas Day, and he has.
Hooray for Santa! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.